Simple and easy, this type of pogača is typically served with curries, gravies, hummus, or ajvar. It's a Slovenian type of flatbread. You're going to need sugar, flour, yeast, salt, egg, coarse salt, and some cumin seeds. If you don't like cumin, you can use caraway seeds instead. Take half a cup of warm water and add 1.5 tablespoons of yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And give it a good mix. Now wait for 10 minutes. As you can tell, this is rising really well. So now I'm going to take 2 cups of flour and sift it into a bowl. And another cup of flour for a total of 3 cups. 1 teaspoon of salt. And now my yeast. And another half a cup of warm water. Knead for 8 minutes, either by hand or let the mixer do the work. Adjust by adding more flour or more warm water as needed. You don't want it too stiff, right? So I like to coat it with flour so it doesn't stick. Just cover it and let it rise for about an hour. First thing, let's prep our egg. Doubled in size. If you have a baking tray that's round or large, use that. If not, the back of the cookie sheet will do. Just add a little bit of oil and grease it. Divide the dough in half. Stretch it, but not too thin. You want about 1 centimeter because it has to rise, so you don't want it flat. Take the knife and cut it to make portions, but not all the way through, just as a guideline. And now brush with beaten egg. Now make your second one. If you notice, I did this one with wider guidelines because sometimes I like a thicker piece, a bigger piece, because I like a bigger piece. Garnish with salt sparingly, you don't want it over salty. So the next we want to put in is the cumin, and cumin you just kind of sprinkle it. Preheat the oven to 400 and bake 18 to 20 minutes. Cool on a wire rack and enjoy. Probamo. È dobro.